Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel. My name is Racquel Henry, and around these parts, our motto is motivation in a 60-second video. Today I want to remind writers to think of writing as something that's long-term. That means we're trying to build careers that will last. It can be really easy to get caught up in the negativity when things don't go our way or when maybe something doesn't go according to timeline. But the truth is that small steps add up to big success. So that means we can always adjust. So relax, take a deep breath, adjust if necessary, and always try again. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and motivation. And you can always check out our Patreon membership at the link down below. Thank you, and we will see you again on the next video. Bye.